In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach Webflow from a quick Google search and archive a project from your Webflow dashboard, which is the cleanest way to remove it from your active list. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Webflow and click the official Webflow result to go to the site. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your dashboard. Before moving on, double-check that you're in the correct workspace if you manage multiple clients or teams. This helps you avoid archiving the wrong project. Once you're on the Webflow dashboard, locate the project you want to remove from your active view. On the project card, look toward the upper right corner for the three-dot icon. This is the Overflow or Options menu. Click it to reveal the project actions. If you don't see this menu, you may not have the right permissions in that workspace, so make sure your role allows you to manage projects. From the menu, choose Archive. In Webflow, archiving is the safe, reversible way to delete a project from your active list. It removes the site from your main dashboard view, and, if it's currently published, archiving will also unpublish it so it's no longer live. This is great for keeping your workspace tidy without losing work. If you need a permanent change to hosting or billing, review those settings separately before you archive, and consider exporting any assets you might want later. After choosing Archive, a confirmation dialog will appear. Read it carefully so you understand the impact, especially if the site is public or shared with collaborators. When you're ready, click Archive Site to confirm. Webflow will process the action, and the project will disappear from your active list. That's your visual cue that the archive was successful. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Let stakeholders know if a live site is being archived to avoid surprises. If you keep a naming convention, you might add context in your project notes before archiving so it's easy to identify later. And remember, archiving is reversible. If you ever need the project again, you can bring it back from the archived section and continue working as usual. That's it. Search for Webflow, open the project options, select Archive, and confirm with Archive Site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Webflow workspace clean and organized.